Imagine creating an entire YouTube video. The script, the voice, the images, the editing, without showing your face, without spending money on equipment, and all in just a few minutes using artificial intelligence? Sounds impossible. Let me prove it. Most people only know one or two AI tools. But here's the truth. Using them alone won't change your life. The real power is when you connect them together, like building blocks. One tool writes your ideas, another gives them a real human-like voice, a third creates visuals, a fourth turns them into video, and the last makes everything polished and professional. The result? Content that looks like it took days, but only takes you minutes. And here's my promise. If you stay until the last tool, you'll discover a secret method that almost no creator is sharing. A trick that can save you hours of work and make your videos stand out instantly. Trust me, this one tip could be the difference between 100 views and 100,000. The first tool is the brain of the operation, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal writer, idea generator, and problem solver. Whether you need a YouTube script, blog post, or even a business plan, ChatGPT creates it in seconds. Here's the trick. Don't just ask it for a script. Instead, give it context, your audience, your goal, your style. The more details you give, the more powerful and personalized the result will be. For example, instead of saying, "Write me a script about AI," say, "Write me a 5-minute script," in a motivational tone for beginners who want to use AI to save time. This simple shift can turn a generic answer into content that feels custom-made. But of course, words alone won't hold attention. You need a real voice to bring them to life. And that's where the next tool comes in. Now that we have the script, we need a voice that feels alive. That's where ElevenLabs comes in. It's one of the most advanced AI text-to-speech tools in the world, capable of creating voices so natural, you'll forget it's artificial. You can choose from dozens of ready-made voices, or even clone your own voice if you want to sound personal without ever recording a word. Imagine producing content in English, Spanish, or Arabic, all with the same natural tone. Here's a pro tip. Always match the voice to your audience. If your viewers are younger, pick a casual, friendly tone. If it's a professional audience, choose a calm and confident voice. That small detail can double your watch time, but a voice without visuals is like a radio show. To truly capture attention, you need powerful images that tell your story, and that's exactly what the next tool delivers. Words and voice are powerful, but visuals are what grab attention instantly. This is where MidJourney or Leonardo AI step in. These tools generate stunning, realistic images from just a simple text prompt. Greater than, you can create thumbnails that pop, background scenes for your videos, or even unique artwork that nobody else has. Instead of searching hours for stock photos, you type a description, and in seconds, you have exactly what you imagined. Here's a pro tip. Always add detail to your prompt. Style, mood, colors, camera angle. For example, instead of writing a city, write a futuristic neon city at night, cinematic lighting, ultra detailed. That's how you get results that look professional.
Now we take it to the next level. With Runway Gen-2, you can turn text or images into full motion video. Yes, type a description, and AI creates cinematic clips that look like they came from a movie studio. This means you can bring your MidJourney images to life, create B-roll for your content, or even generate original short films without ever touching a camera. For creators, this is a complete game changer. Here's a tip. Keep your prompts short and focused. If you overload it with too many details, the results can look messy. Start simple, then refine until you get the exact scene you want. But even with amazing clips, your video isn't finished yet. You need editing, captions, and polish that makes it watchable from start to finish. That's where the final tool comes in. The final step is where everything comes together. Editing. Tools like Descript or CapCut AI make this process effortless. They cut out silence, add subtitles automatically, and even suggest background music, all powered by AI. Instead of spending hours learning complex editing software, you can drag and drop your clips, let AI clean your audio, and add eye-catching captions that keep viewers hooked. In minutes, your project looks professional and ready to share. Here's the secret I promised. Don't just use AI to create faster, use it to create smarter. Reuse the same content across platforms. One script from ChatGPT can become a YouTube video, a TikTok short, a LinkedIn post, and even a podcast. That's how you multiply your reach without multiplying your work.
So now you have the full system: ChatGPT for ideas, ElevenLabs for voice, MidJourney for visuals, Runway for video, and Descript for editing. 5 tools, 1 workflow, endless possibilities. Which tool blew your mind the most? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to turn these tools into real income streams.